From start to finish, if I was building out an AI system for a coach, this is exactly like how I would do it. So please watch this entire video, and I promise you by the end, you will have a perfect game plan of exactly how to incorporate AI into your coaching business. So let's start off with what not to do. First, I would not run out and buy a pile of tools. You should just be paying for one instead of paying for like multiple. I would follow one simple process to build my own system rather than relying on other people's systems. I'm going to give you 3 steps to follow, and after you complete each step, I promise you, you will have a good AI system. Okay, so this is the exact process that I walk all of my clients through. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you the 3 steps, and then after that, I will go into depth on all of the steps, and I'll break down each step for you guys. So number 1, you're going to write down every single task that you do on a whiteboard, on your notes app, in your Google Doc. 2, you're gonna paste that into Claude and you're gonna ask it which one of these things can I automate. 3, you're gonna ask for the steps and you're going to build week by week or day by day, and you're gonna slowly cross off those things that you wanna automate. That is the whole system. Let me break down each one of them for you so you have a better idea of how to do this. Okay, so step 1 is the audit. And again, I tell all of my clients to do this. So you're going to grab a whiteboard, and throughout the week, this could be a few days, this could be, a week, you're going to write every single little task that you do. It could be all the way as little as writing emails. It could be all the way as, more high leverage things like onboarding and checking in with your clients, okay? So what we really want to do is at the end of this week or at the end of these few days, we are going to have a huge list of things. It could be between like 100 and 150 different things. I typically, I've seen it get as low as 80. I've seen it get as high as 150. So it really just depends. So again, every little task like session notes, emailing a client, their recap. It could be bookkeeping. It could be scheduling, chasing follow-ups, onboarding. It could be tracking your certification hours. It could be invoicing. It could also be posting content, whether that's on LinkedIn, Instagram, anything. Again, do not leave anything off, as all of it matters. That's the whole game. Again, you can't automate what you can't see. Okay, so step 2. Now, usually with my clients, after they do step 1, they hand it all to me and I build the systems for them. But in this case, if you're looking to do it yourself, here's exactly what I would do. First, I would take this list and I would open Claude. It's free. Claude is, I would say, is the best LLM or the best AI model to do this in. Again, you can do anything of your preference. You can do ChatGPT, you can put it into Gemini, do whatever you feel is best. I recommend Claude. You're simply gonna ask it. You can click the little voice icon and then you're gonna be like, hey, for the past week, I just filled out my entire notes app, or I just filled out an entire Google Doc of things that I want to automate. Is there any chance that you can, identify which one of these things I can automate and give me a list back? You can say which ones are the easiest. I wanted to get the easy ones out of the way and then work my way up to the harder ones. So again, by doing this step, you're not guessing and you're not buying a course, or you're not doing any of these things. It's simply gonna tell you from, okay, what's the lowest leverage thing you can automate? What's the highest leverage thing you can automate? And that leads me to my next step, which is step 3. If we can even, of the huge list we made, if we can automate 50% of those things, you're already winning. If we can at least automate, 50, 40, even 30%, you're already winning, and I promise you, you're gonna save a lot of time. What are the next steps? It's after it gives you that list, what I would do is I would make a Claude project for your business. So you open Claude, you can create a project. It's gonna ask you what you wanna name the project, and then it's gonna ask you for instructions or what is this project for. What I would do is just explain exactly what it's for. It's be like, hey, I'm trying to automate a lot of things in my business. I'm trying to save more time and get better results for my clients using AI. That's all you need to do. And what I also recommend doing is dropping, as much content or as much information about your coaching business as you possibly can within this Claude project. As much information about how your business works. It could be even if you want to import a bunch of your resources, if you want to import maybe some past calls to kind of maybe, how you usually communicate with your clients. All of this information will help your system work better. After that, you're going to also, save that list somewhere. You're going to drop this list in the project and you're going to be like, hey, I need you to help me automate these things. Where can I start? And it will tell you. What I recommend is connecting all of your tools with Claude Code. So again, if you're using Google Drive, I would, there's a little icon where you can connect your different accounts and different tools. I would connect everything you possibly can. So that's things like Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Meet. Even if you use tools like Excel and Dropbox, that's still doable. I would use Claude Cowork and Claude Code to help you automate all of these things. So once you're in this project, what you're going to do is you're going to ask it, hey, here's a list of things that I want to automate. Can you help me out? Can you tell me where to start? Can you create me a game plan? Can you create me a 30-day roadmap? And it will tell you how to do this. Okay, so I know I said there's 3 steps. Technically there's 4, that's on me. Step 4 would be build them one at a time. What I would do is ask it, hey, what are the highest leverage things I can do right now? What are the lowest leverage things I can do right now? And then follow the plan and build an automation within a week, within a few days. However long it takes you, take your time, there's no rush. Then all you have to do is follow this plan and try to build 1 automation a week. Again, you don't have to come out, just swinging, trying to automate a million different things and trying to learn, how to build AI agents and how to do all of these things. Don't get overwhelmed. Just start with the basic things, move your way up to the higher leverage things. Once you start doing this for about a month, the busy work will run itself in the background. And hopefully by the end of however long this takes you, first of all, you'll get your evenings back. You'll be able to handle a higher capacity of clients if you prefer. And you're going to have an AI system and a lot of your operations will be systemized and will be ran through AI. So hopefully after this entire process, you will get hopefully 10 plus hours a week back, maybe even 20. Again, all of the people who I work with, my benchmark is 20 plus hours a week. Now you can see my little diagrams up here. You're rested, you have your time back, and you have a system that is built around your business. So now the busy work just happens now, and it runs quietly in the background. You're a lot sharper and present in every single session because all of the admin work you don't really have to worry about. And the best part is you own it. Whether that's if you're building it yourself, or you're having me or someone else build it for you, you own the system. Nobody can take that away from you. So I appreciate you guys watching the entire video. Hopefully I helped you out a little bit. Again, if you want all the exact prompts I use on my website, go to brightwoodai.com/prompts, or just go to my website, go to the free stuff. There's a lot of free tools you can use, free prompts and free guides on how to incorporate AI into your coaching business. Again, this is completely free. You don't have to, no sign in, no sign up, no literally nothing. The audit prompts and the rest of everything is there. So please go ahead and check those out. See if those can help you out. And one more thing, I am currently running 30-day trial. So if you want to join, hop on a call with me, I will automate and build one free system for you. Again, this is free of charge. I am only taking 10 people on right now. So sign up while you still can. Again, we'll hop on a call, I'll kind of audit your business. We will build one system together. Again, completely free, my treat to you. I genuinely just do want to help you guys out.